trainer can perform many experiments in electronics, electricity, and physics. Here we have a general module and another general module to have all the required signals for many experiments in logic and electronics and physics. The middle module can be changed, and it is according to the experiment we have and according to the level of the students. If we have the half order, for example, and then we can have the half order drawn, and the input and output are on the connector, so that the student can see the input and the output. Another level is that we have general modules, add and OR and inverter and NAND and NOR, and we have the students to make the connections and to choose which ICs, which functions he needs. And here we can have the half order. The half order have two inputs and two outputs. Now A and B are both zeros, and S and C are both zeros. If we have 1 at A, then S is 1, and this fulfills the truth table of the half order. If we have B is 1 and A is 0, and have also the S 1 and the carry, the C is 0. If we have both 1 and then we have the carry 1 and the sum is 0. This experiment could be performed here also, and if we have the students who are familiar with the ICs and the connections of the ICs, and he can perform the same experiment. But if he is trained well, or it's another level. We have the resistors to deal with, the LEDs to deal with, the switches, and the two ICs needed in this experiment, which is the NAND and the inverter ICs. You see that we use wires. We use the normal wires from the cables, which function very well, and it's less expensive. It's not cheap. They are good, and this means the running cost of the trainer is brought to minimum. This middle module could be changed, and we can screw it up and change it and put another module here. Here we have a module for electricity and electronics. This module for rectification. We have other modules also for other experiments, and we have to say that the trainer is versatile. The experiment could be easily made according to the level of the students. The same experiment could be made with more than 2 levels of complication, or 2 levels of the experience of the students. Thank you.